there will be a slip for their own choice, then name under that symbol. You can segregate within no time and you can count same votes within very short time, half an hour, 45 minutes. They have given this type of reply to Supreme Court. It is only misleading the Supreme Court. We are very clear, Election Commission is an autonomous body. Under the same time, they are working in the instructions of Modi and also Government of India. It is very bad for the country. So I am very clear. I want to explain all these things. What happened in Andhra Pradesh, all unjustifiable transfers. Even before elections notification, they have transferred one of our collectors. After that, 2 SPs they have transferred. One SP is concerned Kadapa district, where YSR Congress Party president came from the place. His uncle, his father's brother was killed brutally, and they want to create, it is only heart failure. Then post-mortem took place. It has been established. It is a clear-cut murder. Then they want to avoid all these things, damage control. Then ultimately, through Election Commission, investigating officer, that SP is transferred. How can they justify? When murder took place, immediately one officer, superintendent of police is transferred. How can they justify? They have to answer. There is no answer from Election Commission on that. And also, they have transferred our DG intelligence. I am asking what IB is doing, what Cabinet Secretary is doing, what NSA is doing. They are also doing politics. Why you are not transferring IB chief? Can you answer for this? Is it equal level playing field? There is no answer for that. Even if you see here, all state government powers, even ultimately Chief Secretary has been transferred. One of the most effective, most honest and integrity officer, one Mr. Punita was transferred. And also the Chief Secretary where they have nominated, there is no answer, co-accused of YSR Congress Party President. Along with Jagan Mohan Reddy, he was co-accused. That person was nominated as Chief Secretary. How things are happening, one has to understand. Even this case is pending before the Supreme Court. All cases, small, wherever there are some things, exaggeration, Sakshi TV, Sakshi paper, they are covering. All these things, Election Commission is taking cognizance, they are transferring. CEO office or Delhi office as becoming tool for them to transfer. One example I am giving you. One day, one Cherala candidate, he announced that by evening this SP will be transferred. Same day evening he was transferred. That means all he is having so many criminal cases against him. Election Commission is treating 31 cases, either criminal corruption cases or against Jagan Mohan Reddy. No case against me. Election Commission is treating all political parties, all leaders equally. And also if you see here, one Mr. K.K. Sharma, he is the observer. He went to West Bengal, their CPM and Trinamool Congress opposed, then he sent it to Andhra Pradesh. He is having connections with RSS. This is where we objected totally, but no action has been taken by Election Commission. Even here if you see, large scale deletion of voters. In Telangana, 25 lakh voters have been deleted. At that time they went to court, no relief. Because they are having a immune, because Election Commission is the independent authority. Ultimately, after elections, the CEO said sorry. Is it fair way of sorry? Democracy is murdered. Leisurely we are saying, I am sorry, something has happened, it is not in my control. Even in Andhra Pradesh, around 7.5 lakh voters, they want to delete. They came here, they complained against Telugu Desam. In the process, they started deleting voters by using Form 7A. Immediately, we constitute special investigation team to probe all these things. Then, Election Commission is not cooperating with us for giving IP address. There in Telangana, you have deleted, you supported. In Andhra, they attempted. We have controlled them. We want to take action. You are not supporting. This type of one-side action is very unfair and also very bad against it. And also, if you see, all Telugu Desam party complaints, either candidates or party, no action has been taken. I have given detailed enclosure. In the process, as on today, Election Commission has lost credibility among people. They are supporting all tainted ministers or political parties, and ultimately they are in a bad look of the nation. Yesterday we have done one thing. If you see here, they have given inadequate force. Morning hours. Nation is aware of that. In Andhra Pradesh, so many EVMs are not functioning. There is a total chaos. People are projecting 30% of EVMs are not functioning. Then slowly some of the EVMs are coming. Last EVM they have erected nearly 1 PM. They have given only 6 hours time. Last vote they have voted early morning 6:30 AM to 4 AM. Is it fair democracy? Voters are not beggars. They are respectable citizens of this country. Election Commission, if it is delayed, then they should have gone urgent polling after 6. They should have given assurance tomorrow we'll have a polling. That they didn't do that. And ultimately, with children, women, old people, they came, they stand by queue. 5:30 AM, they stand by queue. 10 hours, they stood on the queue. That is the commitment they are having. It is very, very bad situation. We are feeling very bad. I complained to CEC. I complained to CEO. No action has been taken. This is they have lost vote to right.
What is the reaction?
I will tell you. After that, I asked him very clearly, because of all these actions, Election Commission, YSR Congress is attacking all our leaders. One person was killed in Tadipatri. So many attacks. Speaker was attacked. Some of our candidates were attacked. Even women candidates were attacked. No action has been taken by Election Commission. They wanted to create chaos. They want to create law and order. Ultimately, they want to capture votes. That is their aim. But ultimately, we have protected all these things. Today, even citizens, respectable citizens, they are unable to give any protection for them. Ultimately, EVMs and also VVPATs. Today, if you see, we asked them very clearly, so many EVMs, why they have failed? What is the reason? You have to explain. They are unable to explain all these things. Even there is a suspicion of VVPAT also. Even both what we are asking, transparency, all over the world, electronic voting machine nobody is using. Everybody is using only paper ballot. We are asking them to go for paper ballot. They are adamant. And at the same time, at least 50% of VVPATs they have to count. That also they are not listening. What is the secrecy? What is the motive behind? All these things when we challenge with him, Election Commission, they are saying today, no, we will answer everything. We will attempt to it. What all you said, we will go through all these things. Ultimately, we will do justice. What is the justice is going to do? I am asking very clearly. There is no answer. In Tamil Nadu, there is a DG. He was tainted. One Mr. Rajendra was transferred to 2016 by election. Again, they posted him as direct DG in Tamil Nadu. Recently, they didn't remove him. Some other person, one name by Shukla, was posted DG for elections. There you didn't change, tainted DG. You posted some other person as DG elections because I am claiming all these things, I am attacking. In Andhra Pradesh, CS you have transferred without taking the panel of the state government. SPs you have transferred without taking panel from state government. Where is the justice? Where is the level playing field, I am asking? Election Commission. They may have powers, but they cannot misuse powers. Is it the way of fair play? And at the same time, is it the way of conducting elections in this country? I have faced so many elections for the last 40 years. I know paper ballot. I know VVPAT. We fought for VVPAT. Earlier, EVM can be manageable. That's why we brought VVPAT also. All these things today, it is doubtful. Integrity and also misuse, we are doubting very much. Now Election Commission is saying, no, we will take care of all these things, but they have failed miserably. Our fight will continue further. Recently, 22 political parties went to court. In court, they have given us 5 ballot boxes. They will count each assembly segment. We are demanding 50%. If these 5 ballot boxes are found some manipulation, immediately they have to order total counting of all VVPATs, all ballot boxes. They have to declare results. No discretion for the returning officer. Whenever there is a demand, they have to honor. It will take another 3 hours, 4 hours. But democracy, we have to protect, we have to save democracy. That's why I came here. Today and tomorrow I will be here. I will meet all political parties. All political parties will explain. We will work together till we achieve transparency in election process. They cannot go as they like. Even our demand, 618 booths. There, urgent poll. Urgent poll is nothing but whenever there is a 2 hours lapse, then they have to order urgent poll. Remaining voters will come and vote. It is a fundamental right. It is a minimum courtesy. Election Commission has to do that. Again, why so many EVMs are dysfunctioning or malfunctioning? What is the reason? They have to inquire all these things. Is there any manipulation? Managing by somebody? Or who is responsible for all these failures? They have to answer. And also Form 7A. Immediately they have to give IP address so that state government can initiate prosecution and also action on that. Ultimately, VVPAT, today you have to do 50% counting. It is not banned. Supreme Court also said very clearly, it is left to Election Commission. Only 5 booths, they agree. There we are asking to give 50% counting so that transparency is established, then people have some confidence. This is the 5-6 demands we are putting before Election Commission. Ultimately, first Election Commissioner, Sukumar Sen, what he said. Today, ordinary voter is unable to. Yesterday, somebody asked me one question, very interesting question. Are you sure what you voted, it has gone to your party candidate? I told him, I am not sure. Even party president is not sure that his vote is going to his candidate. Then what is the guarantee for every individual? Without knowing, why should we vote? Even developed countries are not doing all these things. Why this type of cumbersome? Why this type of manipulative machines are there in India? Ours is a vibrant democracy, but at the same time, we are using this type of manipulative process. It is not correct. Nation has to debate about it. This is where we are today, but we are not all satisfied with the answer given by the Election Commission. They told very clearly we are all not happy. They are happy or not happy, we are not concerned. We are here to protect democracy. To protect, it is a forefathers' gift or sacrifice. Nobody can vitiate or nobody can manipulate democracy. If you do well, you will get mandate. If you are not doing well, then automatically you will be voted out of power or out of seats.
Any assurances?
Huh?
EC has given any assurance for repolling?
No, repolling I'm not bothered. 5-6 booths where they were totally damaged, they will give. Urgent polling, larger issue I am asking, that is save democracy, maintain independence. You are not doing that. Even BJP and their allies, YSR Congress, all these people are claiming they can do anything, get away with it. That is the main issue now. One is procedure angle, high-handedness of ECI. Second is technical problems. Through mission, they are going to manipulate. That is much more dangerous for this nation. There I am fighting.
So you said you're not satisfied with the reply of the election commission.
I'm not
What's the next
satisfied.
step that you're going to take?
I am not satisfied. That's why we will continue. We will wait for the answer. 50% VVPAT, they have to do it, counting. If they won't do, further legal, everything we will do. We will bring awareness among people why ruling party is shielding, why they are not accepting, why election commission is not ordered. What is the secret? What is the problem for you? Not to count or otherwise not to go for 50% counting. He is asking, it will take 6-7 days. They have filed affidavit. I am asking them, you count one booth, dummy, in Delhi before media, national media. Total nation has to know how much time it will take. I am asking, it is only 1,000 votes. How much time it will take? We are asking 50%. How much time it will take? This is where I am challenging them. In the nation, all intellectuals recently, 65 IAS, IPS, IFS, retired officers, went to President, complained about election commission. They are not autonomous. They are not conducting elections fair and free. They are on the advice of ruling party they are doing. It is not good for the nation. That is what they condemn. They asked the President of India to take action. So this is high time for this country, especially I am appealing all intellectuals, media, students, women, and also farmers, everybody, to think all these things. Why you are hiding 50% counting of VVPAT? You have to answer for the nation. If you are not committing any fraud, what is the problem? Okay, democracy will take another 1 day or 6 hours or 12 hours. You have to create confidence among voters, among political parties, among media, among all citizens. That is where I am challenging this government and also election commission. Tomorrow we are going to have some more press conference with all leaders. We will take it up a national issue and then we will fight.
Are they going to Supreme Court again?
Yeah, all these things are open to us. We are not going to leave at this stage. Till the last, we will fight it out. Ultimately, in this country, paper ballot is the best way. Then everybody will have a confidence. There is a total transparency. Nobody can manage. Even they are appointing officers, polling staff, without knowing anything. Some students, some NGOs, some people on the road, they are making democracy as a mockery. They don't know how to operate EVM. I am asking all intellectuals, you are all here. Can you operate EVM? Anybody has voted in the recent past? How complicated it is? Why should we complicate election procedure, election process? Simple procedure. That is what first election commission has said. They have to implement as it is. Common man is having abundant common sense. Common man is having abundant commitment to the nation. But above officers, those who are in power in respective places, they are creating all these problems for the selfish needs or some more things. This is a very big issue we are taking up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
మళ్ళా చెప్తారు
తెలుగులో కావాలంటారు
మళ్ళా అక్కడ
అక్కడ పెట్టచ్చు